What's up all, welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video I'm just going to be taking you step by step, showing you how I am going to be showing you that accent chair that you have seen in my thumbnail. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you how I made that accent chair, and this one is part of the transformation, our house transformation that we are doing. So these videos, these are some of the items that I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be making, and finally when I'm done making everything in the house, I'm going to be showing you the final reveal, and of course you will understand and see how the progress has been. So I'll be taking you through all the steps, all the processes, all the DIYs that I'm going to be making, so that you can enjoy this journey with me as we are going to be furnishing our 2-bedroom house. Yeah, and I hope it will be very interesting, and I hope you will learn something from us. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. I really do appreciate that. And if this is your first time clicking on our videos, feel much welcome. Karibu in our channel. Yeah, you can visit our channel, watch more of our content, more of our videos. Make sure that you like our videos, comment on them, tell me what you think, comment. Yeah, share with your friends and family, and I will really do appreciate that. So I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be making this accent chair. So if you have seen the start of the video, we started by cutting the pieces of metal, and we are going to be welding. We are going to be joining the pieces here with you. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is making the frame, and I had these two pieces. They if you want more, like if you want to know more about this accent chair, like the measurements, just comment down below and I'll give you all the measurements. That is if you want to try something like this. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is making the frame, preparing the frame, that is smoothing everything, and I'm going to be priming it. Also we are going to be painting it, and the theme for this accent chair was white and black. So we are going to be priming the frame. Also we are going to be painting the frame black, and I'm going to be using a white fabric. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that you can see all these processes, all the materials that I've used in this DIY today. Then after the paint work, I'm going to be making a cushion, and the cushion that I'm going to be using is a spring cushion, and the back one is the normal cushion, and I'm going to be showing you all that until the final product. So make sure to stay till the end of the video. Yeah, and enjoy the video. Don't forget to like it, comment on it, tell me what you think about everything in this video. So let's enjoy the video.